Hi, so let's understand metrics. I'm sure you guys would have come across the term metrics and good metrics, bad metrics, how to measure them, how to find them, and so on. In this unit, we're going to cover all about metrics. In my opinion, a pragmatic product leader is continuously measuring. They never stop, the measurement is always there. So, one, you'll always be experimenting and you'll always be measuring. So, this is the term that I have coined, which is product momentum. A pragmatic product leader is constantly measuring, always has major numbers in mind and the numbers that he cares about. Which numbers are these? These are the metrics that determine the success or failure of products, and they have been carefully selected. You know the formula of momentum, right? M equal to mv. In the business world, I call M as metrics and V as velocity in the direction of your goal. Let me illustrate with an example. Your goal is to improve retentions by 10%. So metric is retention. Velocity is speed over time, so let's determine velocity towards your goal. Let's say you want to hit the target in 1 month, then your velocity is 10% over 1 month or 2.5% per week. That's your goal. And if you realize that's the momentum you wish to hit, 2.5% retention is the metric, and per week is the 1 unit of retention per week velocity. That's how important metrics are. They're the only way to quantify your theories, your efforts, your hypothesis, and I'm sure you have been doing this since ever. If you haven't, then please start right away. So metrics get you deals end of the day. Okay. Unless and until you are exactly quantifying and measuring what you are doing, it will be very difficult for you to do anything scalably. And they have different purposes for different audiences. For the founding team, they want to maintain a very narrow focus on that execution. They want to that helps in keeping everything coherent. It also helps in iterating based on findings and not gut feeling. Right. While for your own product team, you want to have a crystal clear goal and you would like to diagnose issues before they even arise. And for investors, they would like to assess whether uh, you know what you're doing. They would like to know more about the business. They want to reduce uncertainty. They want to evaluate the opportunity. So many other things. So metrics are tailored to audience, and that is why there's so much of confusion also around. And that is because we typically lose in the day-to-day conversations. We typically lose the focus that which audience are we targeting, which this metric is supposed to target which audience. So a business metric is a quantifiable measure that is used to track and assess the status of a specific business process. It's important to note that business metrics should be employed to address key audiences surrounding a business, such as investors, customers, and different types of employees, such as executives and middle managers. Every area of business has specific performance metrics that should be monitored. Marketers track marketing and social media metrics such as campaign and program statistics. Sales team monitors sales performance metrics such as new opportunities and leads. And executives look at big picture financial metrics. In this topic, I'll take you through the metrics that matter, how to determine which metrics matter, and a couple of good frameworks to consider. So that's it. Let's dive deeper into the world of metrics. Thank you.